Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we have the scum, Gyrich. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a loose Marvel Legends figure of Henry Peter Gyrich. And if you are familiar with the X-Men lore, of course, he is a quote-unquote friend of humanity, a leader of the anti-mutant sentiments, and I think also one of the supporters of the Sentinel program. Okay, so basically, he hates mutants. Okay, so in the X-Men 97 show, he I think died during season 1, if I'm not mistaken. And please correct me if I'm wrong in the chat. Okay, so this particular figure actually, there's no figure of Henry Peter Gyrich himself, but there was a head, okay, included in the X-Men 97 morph figure. Okay, I actually don't have that figure. I don't pursue it aggressively because I already have a morph figure in my X-Men Marvel Legends collection. But I always wanted to get a head. Okay, the head of Peter Gyrich. So I'd like to thank Sandy for this. So he was able to trade me this particular figure. Okay, so you can see it's a kit bash figure, a collection. It's it's made of the Gyrich head, and I actually don't know who the body is from. Okay, maybe Sandy can enlighten me, but it's fine as long as it's a suit, then that fits for Gyrich. Okay. The only complaint I guess would be the skin tone. The skin tone is not so much fit with Gyrich, so I'll probably find. Is this removable? Let me see. If it seems not. Okay, so I'll probably try to remove this one, the hands, and try to find a same similar shade. Okay, and the neck as well is not, of course, the same. But again, I'm not so picky, especially because there's no figure of it anyway, so it's not gonna be perfect. But body build wise, I think it's okay. He's thin and he's mean. He's lean and he's mean. And he's Peter Gyrich. Okay, Sandy mentioned like a blue tack just to connect them, which is fine. It's well hidden anyway, and usually when I display it, it's gonna be like facing forward. Okay, probably need to give a couple of handguns for him or weapons, or just hide him this way, pose him this way, hands on the back. Okay, I think that looks perfect actually. Okay, okay. So before we wrap up the video, this is a Heroclix channel, so we also have to look at Henry Peter Gyrich in Heroclix. And unfortunately, also there's been no figure of Henry Peter Gyrich, but there was a bystander, and you can see here these are my bystanders, Golden Age bystanders of Henry Peter Gyrich. This is from Marvel Heroclix Fantastic Forces bystander token. Okay, 2005, if I'm not mistaken. 2005. Okay, can you imagine 21 years ago? Okay, so he is 7 points. Okay, odd number of points. The B002, 6 movement, 8 attack, 4 range single target, 15 willpower, and 1 damage. Henry Peter Gyrich. Okay. So yeah, in olden times, I don't know how they get this. Maybe in boosters randomly inserted, and you have to pop off the bystander like this. Okay, and then you can use it as such. Okay, so that's it. That's the quick video for Henry Peter Gyrich. I really hope they make a Heroclix figure of him soon. Would have loved it if they included it in the X-Men 97 set recently released. Maybe an LE figure? I don't know. Whiz Kids, make it happen, please. And until that time, bye!